Hey there! If you're new to investing and feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down the basics of investments. We're diving into shares, bonds, and mutual funds. All right, let's start with shares. When you buy a share, you are essentially buying a small piece of a company. Think of it as owning a slice of pizza. If the company does well, the value of your share goes up. If it doesn't, the value goes down. It's that simple. Shares can be risky, but they also offer the potential for high returns. They are a great way to grow your wealth over time, but you need to be prepared for the ups and downs of the market. Next up, bonds. Bonds are like IOUs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government or a company. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally considered safer than shares because you're guaranteed to get your money back plus some extra, but the returns are usually lower. Bonds are a good option if you want a more stable and predictable income. Finally, let's talk about mutual funds. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. It's managed by professional fund managers. The big advantage here is diversification, which spreads out your risk. You don't need to pick individual stocks or bonds yourself. Just invest in the fund, and the managers take care of the rest. This makes mutual funds a great option for those who want to invest but don't have the time or expertise to manage their own portfolio. So to recap, shares can offer high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds are safer but usually offer lower returns. And mutual funds provide diversification and are managed by professionals. Starting out in investing can feel intimidating, but understanding these basic concepts is a solid first step. Remember, the key is to diversify your investments and not to put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce your risk and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investment tips. Catch you in the next one.